In order to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix using the diagonals method, you need to multiply 3 element values together that are along a single diagonal. In order to do that, you need to rewrite the first 2 columns of your matrix in order to create this possibility. Now your first diagonal is found by multiplying 5 times 5 times 3 to yield a product of 75. Your next diagonal has now been created by adding this negative 7 off to the right hand side of the matrix. So you can multiply negative 10 times negative 6 times negative 7 to yield negative 420. And your last diagonal value has been created by rewriting this 3 and this negative 9. So 14 times 3 times negative 9 is negative 378. We also need to find the diagonal products going upwards from left to right. So my first diagonal product from left to right will be negative 7 times 5 times 14 to yield negative 490. My next product can be found by multiplying negative 9 times negative 6 times 5 to yield 270. And my final product is found by multiplying 3, 3, and negative 10 to yield negative 90. Now that I've found all of my products, I'm going to need to either add or subtract the values depending on which way I had multiplied. My values that I multiplied from the upper left down to the lower right, I will add those values together. So 75 plus negative 420 plus negative 378. Then I will subtract my values that I have found by multiplying from the lower left up to the upper right. So subtract negative 490, subtract 270, and subtract negative 90. If I were to simplify this final expression, I then would get a final determinant answer of negative 413.